Right, hello everyone. I hope everyone is safe and enjoying this little pump that we've had. I'm gonna just make a quick video. This is gonna be made quite quickly as I want to get this out tonight. Be careful. Obviously, trade your charts, and this isn't financial advice, but I am currently in a short position. Two short positions actually. That I'll go over a bit later on, and I'm going to talk about what's happening with the market. So the main thing I want to mention is, where is it? The 786 bounce, right? So this is a fib pulled from this high to this low, as you can see, and we have taken a bounce from there. So as you can see here, we have bounced off that and rejected. We are currently the golden pocket, which gives a little bit of a chance for that, but I'm still going the direction that we're going to continue to go down. We've taken the liquidity with this. It does leave some liquidity up here, but I just don't like these lows. I've been talking with a few people that I know who do crypto, do a lot of TA, and me and them just do not like these bottoms. So I think we're going to revisit this, maybe this liquidity from this and push up, or we could break down to sort of 87, 88 level. I'm not going to talk too much about that. I'm going to talk more about what's happening up here. I've seen this bounce here. I was watching this zone, and I didn't enter a short up here. I was thinking about it, but I wanted to confirm a rejection. I did record a video on BITGET for this short position, but I'm also in the short position on my main exchange as well. And as you can see, this short position is going very well at the moment. This was using a new technique or a new technical analysis. As you see, it's $12, but if you've not seen it, check that series out. I'm starting with $100, and obviously this is quite low risk. I've only got $77 in here at the moment, and that's there. Anyway, we are pushing down now, and the new thing I was talking about, I was using a standard deviation kind of ICT model, which projects that will come down to this area. I'm not going to make a video about that just soon. I want to test it out more and make sure I know exactly how it works and that it works well. And so far, it's quite good. I think, well, I opened it here, and so far we've done this move, and I'm going to TP1 here, and then I'm going to hold it for a little bit of price action, hopefully if it moves down. So that's also that we could potentially bounce off of, resistance area. So there's a good chance that we could bounce off this and do something like that. But that's why I'm TPing here, and then if we do that, I'll close at entry. Another thing I want to talk about is that this channel, if we go down to the 5 minute, for example, we can see that we've perfectly bounced off this channel. So I think it's quite likely we at least go to 100k here, unless we see a bounce off this golden pocket. And then we're also still in the larger parallel channel, and we have bounced off the center. Let's close the smaller one. As you can see, we did a little fake out here, and we've been in this channel for a while, bouncing off all of the sides. And now we've bounced off the center point, which the bottom of this does land around 97, where we could go to. Could see a bounce from there. I'm just kind of mentioning areas that I'm paying attention to rather than an exact plan, but I do think we are going at least down to 99k at the very least, I would say. Maybe further, probably further. Because at the moment, there's one good thing, is that we've still got the value area high of the whole upper range. Still got the value area high and the POC, and we're above all of it, which is quite nice. So we may see a little bounce here as well, but I'm still holding out for my TP1 down here. Let's talk about, we can get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of all of these. So we have broken through this daily here, which was floating around for a little bit of time. And the next one down here, I do believe it lines up roughly all of this. So that does provide quite a lot of support. So this may be a point you might look to long. I may put a on here for my short with a tight stop loss. So I could look at something of taking, say, 25% of out here, and then opening up a long with a very tight stop loss, maybe something like that. Targeting here, and then do a little scalp in case we do push up. I don't think we will, but we could do that. So it's best to manage your however you would like. But I do think it's quite probable that if we take the 0.5, this is the equilibrium of the bottom part of the daily wick for this big drop that we had. It is also likely that we come down to this area, which I was waiting for on this drop. I was expecting us to come here, but we didn't. We just pushed up and had this nice rally liquidity here. So I also think it's quite likely that because we've taken the liquidity from this zone here, that we're going to slowly come down and take this liquidity here. We could also take the liquidity from here, but I'm going to be closing a lot of the position at this 0.5. And it's pretty much everything. I wanted this video to be quite nice, short and sweet, as, to be honest, it's not looking amazing. We are having a little bounce at the moment. So if you're in longs, I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'm not going to tell you. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm just saying manage your risk and be prepared if we do have a big drop. I'm not saying we are. We could easily hit one of these resistance points and actually get to an all-time high, but you've always just got to manage. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.